Speaking of range, I'm sure you've been asked this question a billion times, but we're going to bring up breaking the record. I was actually in the building. I was at MSG when you broke the record, so congratulations. It was amazing to watch.
Appreciate it.
Cheers.
The amazing part was I was on the suite level, and every time he touched the ball, all you saw was people bringing up, me too, phones up. Like every time you touch the ball, and then you'd pass it, phones would go down. And then the phone would go up. And then the phone would go down. So we were talking before, this is kind of unique because all three of us, D with the scoring record, you with the three-pointers, myself with assists, we've all been there where it's kind of like the hype, all the pressure, it leads up to it. So share with us what it felt like to break it and kind of getting that off your back.
Seeing the last shot go in was kind of the ultimate weight off my shoulder because it was kind of a matter of time, and it was the longest week of my life because I shot like 15 threes like the 5 games before trying to get to the record because I felt that anxiousness every time I touched the ball. So I wanted to. It wasn't for a lack of shots that it took so long, but when I got to New York, like there was just a different energy in the building. Like you said, every time from the jump ball to whatever 7 minutes in the game, like every time I touched the ball, every time I came across half court, I just saw everybody stand up. And it was to see like a road crowd appreciate a moment like that. If I wasn't going to do it at home, doing it at Madison Square Garden was definitely second best.
Oh no, that was amazing. It was like, who knows, 5, 6, 7 minutes of just love.
And to have Reggie and Ray there too.
Yeah.
Which, they were the OGs of the three-point shooting. Like, they're the ones who kind of brought it to the game and made it normal to shoot a lot of threes. I mean, who didn't love watching Ray and Reggie? Like, they made it normal for us to play the way we play now. Like, they introduced that. And with the records, you're like, can this just get over with now? Can we just get this over with already? Like, and start playing normal basketball again? That was my first, let's get this over with.
The funniest part to me is after I broke the record, we had like the 10-minute timeout where they started playing the music and the whole deal.
Steph, I don't mean to cut you off. We're going to break. We'll be right back.